So the previous video was about if monetizing a YouTube channel is too profitable in Zambia in 2023. So in this video, we're going to learn about if monetizing a blog is still profitable in Zambia in 2023. Okay, so but before you answer the question, in case you did not know, okay, the first thing you need to know is that monetizing a blog is possible in Zambia and it is supported. Like, you don't need to do tricks, don't need to do anything. Okay, all you're supposed to have is simply a website, okay, with some articles, and simply apply for monetization. After that, you simply place the ad codes to your website and simply generate traffic to it, and you actually get to make money. Okay, so now to answer the question if monetizing a blog is still profitable in Zambia, well, yes, it is profitable, okay, as compared to YouTube, because okay, website monetization is fully supported in Zambia. So if people from Zambia visit the website and when they click on those adverts, you're going to make money as compared to YouTube. So it is still profitable. So now the question is, how do you get started? So of course, as I said earlier on, for this you need the website, okay, but having a website alone is not enough. Like, there are a lot of things you need to know or learn, okay. Like, when you apply for monetization, Google is going to look at a lot of things about your website, and a lot of websites actually they actually don't get approved at all. So luckily you've got me. Like, okay, I've been blogging for more than 5 years, so I know what it takes to successfully monetize a blog. So for this, you can actually get to contact me and I can actually help you with everything from creating a website, creating a blog, to monetizing it, from monetizing it to actually getting paid. So like, all you need to do is simply contact me. Okay, you can actually email me at keith@keithruins.me, or you can actually text me. Okay, you can text me. This is my number. Okay, and lastly, you can actually text me on Signal with this same number. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go and subscribe. Bye for now.